Because I get excited whenever I try something new and it works. So happy 4th you guys. I have come up with an idea about how to get people to join and have fun while you're doing it. So anyway, you know, for years I worked events. I worked like a whole lot of events, and I've been working events for like 10 years. And that's where most of my team members have come. A lot of them come from events because I'm just real a face-to-face kind of person. Of course, we're not doing a whole lot of that now. So I had to do things all over again, train myself, watch a lot of videos, watch a ton of videos, and gotten a lot of tips from over here and everywhere. But I kind of play around with things before I put it out there. I want to try and see what works. And this has been working, the things that I've been trying, and I just shared it with my teams. I thought I'd share with you guys. So I've had since March, I had to come up with creative ways to get orders because, you know, once I'm not out there getting the orders at events. So now I'm having to come up with creative ways to get team members as well. So I decided to do these links. Okay, let me start back. Let me go here. First of all, I made a post on Facebook, several different places, and I asked people, if you could join for $0 with Scentsy, would you? So all of those people that said yes to that, I either sent them a message or they sent me a message. So I would respond to them, and I would thank them for liking my post, thank them for responding. And all of them were saying interested, more information, interested, and that sort of thing. So those that I responded to or responded to me, I would tell them what I need them to do first. So I'll say, first, what I need you to do is set up a group page on Facebook. This is all new to me because, I've never done this before, so I'm trying it out. So I said, set up a group page on Facebook. Then I share with them a link to my team page. I share with them that, and I say, I need you to join my team page so you can get some ideas. And I tell them to invite all their friends on the page. Then once they do that, I want them to tell me why they want to join Scentsy. So once they tell me why they want to join Scentsy, I have them to put their why in the group. Then I have other verbiage for them to talk about what Scentsy is, because a lot of people don't know what it is. So I have verbiage for them for that. So once they do all of that, I go ahead and ask them to send me their name, shipping address, email, and cell phone number. So they send that to me, and I go ahead and set up a link for them. I call it with their first name is Evelyn, I'll say Evelyn's join link is what I call it. So I send that link to them. So when they set their group up, I ask them to send me the link to the group and add me to the group because I want to be in the group, because I want to be able to watch what they're doing and be a part of it so I can answer questions. So once they get to like 50 people in the group, so I say, look, you invite everybody, but once you get to 50 people in the group, I'm going to go live and do a presentation. But I will not do that until they get at least 50 people in the group. So I for some of them that tell me they don't know how to set up a group page, I direct them to YouTube so they can learn how to do it. I don't want to do any of this stuff for them. I don't want to do that. In the past, I've done too much. So I want them to do the work because it's going to be their business. So I want to teach them the right way to go out and find the things. So I'm showing them, I'm telling them where to go. So once they come back and they set the group up, and sometimes they made mistakes. Some of them have done like the invites, like what do you call those things? What I do, just like an invite. I said, no, that's not the way you do it. I need you to do a group, and I have them to call it their VIP group. That's it. You know, some of them have come back and had Scentsy on there. No, don't put Scentsy on there. Just VIP group page. So they're posting using the stuff that we have on our team page. They're posting it over there. So I'll give you an example. I had a girl to do this like last Saturday in June, like Friday. Last Friday in June, she was able to get $520 something in orders in 6 days. So I didn't even have a chance to go live in her group. So she got her kit. I flipped it. I wasn't able to flip the June orders, but I was able to get the July orders. She joined July 1st. So I was able to get the July orders flipped. There was like $300 some in orders flipped. We're waiting on that to be manually done. So she's already got some more orders in. She's like real close to hitting shooting star. Our goal is to hurry up and get her to certified this month. So that was that one girl right there. So I'm going to show you guys what I got going on. So I have a whole lot of shopping links already on my page. So now I'm going over to call these join links. So this young lady has a join link. This lady has a join link. This lady has a join link. This lady has a join link. And these two have a join link. So I have total 6 join links right now. So those six join links, they all have their group pages. They're all posting over there. I've done 4 videos, and each one of my videos lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. I try not to make it be longer than 20 minutes, kind of in and out, because I'm doing so many. I think I did 4 in one day, and all I'm doing is talking about the systems, talking about the 3 cent systems that we have, and talking about all the products that we have to help them. And so after I do the video, I'm asking each one of them to tag the people in the group so they can see it. I said, go back and tag them so they can see that video, so it'll help answer those questions that they may have. And it's help. So several of them already have orders already, and I'm coaching them along the way. So every day I've got something to share with them. Every day they're posting over there. I'm telling them to post engaging things, so they won't be strictly bored with just all the Scentsy stuff. So I'm telling them to post stuff like, share with me your favorite fruit, or your favorite food, or your favorite place to go, or share with me a picture of your kids, your grandkids, your animals, or what have you, just to make it be fun over there. So yeah, it's really working. So I got 6 people. As a matter of fact, one of the girls who had a part that I did a presentation for, somebody in the group wants to join, but yet this lady has not joined yet, because they're both trying to get a free kit, because my mom is in a nursing home. So the lady that helped my mom over there, I said, look, I want to do something for you. She didn't know what it was. So I set up a group for her. Well, no, she set up a group. I set up a link for her so she could join for free. But it's one of her friends that want to join also, but neither one of them are working, so they can't afford a kit. So I told her, I said, look, we need to find a way for you to go ahead and get yourself signed up like ASAP, because you got a friend that's over there now trying to join too. So she said she's just going to come up with the money and join, so her friend could join up under her. So this is like so fun. It's like, I mean, I've never done this before. This is all new, because I've been working events for all these years, and I'm now having to find new ways. And this is a fun way that is super easy. It's really easy. It's just a matter of doing the things that I normally do for myself, doing it somewhere else, guiding them and coaching them just like they are team members. They're just really excited about it. And something else I'm doing, I'm also announcing them in my team page. I'm saying, okay, Susie has already created a group page. She is so excited about starting her business and not having to pay $1. So I'm announcing them. Then I go to my personal page and introduce her on my personal page, or him, with their shopping link and tagging them. That's something new I've never done before. I'm doing that. So announcing them in the group page is making them be really excited. Team members are showing them love. And so they're seeing that they're getting a love already. So they're like super pumped over there. I've had a couple of them that I've done this with decide, okay, I don't want to wait. I'm just going to go ahead and pay my money to join. So I'm creating that excitement by doing it this way. So some of them, if they don't want to wait to get the orders, they're just like, okay, I'm just going to go on sign up. Tell me what I need to do. Where's the fine line? Let me go ahead and do what I need to do to join. So this is incredible, guys. So I already know, since we're trying to earn the trips, I like to front load everything. I teach my team members all the time, like, let's front load everything. Let's front load the annual mentor. Let's front load these trips. And this is a great way to front load it, because it's a fun and it's a simple way. I'm so busy, I don't have time to be doing the complex stuff. So this is real easy for me. So I'm hoping that this will help you guys. The links, and the team members get real confused about what's the difference in the links. All it is an AKA party link. That's all it is, a party link. It's a party. It's all about how you play around with the words. I mean, I've got shopping links. I think I got maybe like 45, 46 shopping links on my website. Now I have 6 join links. So I keep adding more stuff to it and make it be real fun. But it is also helping me to keep track of stuff, because I have a hard time doing that. I'm just like all over the place. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys. You guys have been great in helping, sharing all the awesome stuff. I just thought I'd come over here and share some stuff. I got 9 links out there now. I think yesterday when I came out here, I had 6. So I have 9. So because I got so many, I was trying to figure out how in the world I'm going to control this, because it's so much. So I decided to put them all in one place. I set up a chat. I got a chat and I put them all in one place because I found myself being all over the place. I'm like here and I'm going back and forth. They were asking this question and how to do this and I'm flipping. I said, I can't do it all like that. So I decided to put together this chat and I got them all in one place. So here it is. Alexa, right here.
Pause.
I call it my future Scentsy Consultants. It's a chat. So all 9 of them are in there right now. So I put them there because it's just too much. So anyway, so I'm posting things like post to your page, post in the chat. And I am also in all of their groups so I can see how they're posting over there so I can guide them and I can coach them. Because some of them are not adding pictures and I'm seeing that some of them are forgetting to put the link over there because each one of them have their own link, their own join link. So I'm making sure they put those links over there. I'm getting a lot of questions. For example, well, how do I know that I'm going to get credit for this? That's one question that I'm hearing quite often. So I tell them to make sure you're posting your link so you can get credit for it. Well, how do I know I'm going to get paid for these orders? You got to keep posting that link over. That's what I keep telling them. Then one of them at checkout screenshot and showed me. They said, well, your name shows up at checkout and the person want to make sure that I'm getting credit for that. I said, you're going to have to explain that you're not the consultant, that I'm the consultant, and you're aiming towards getting a free kit. You got to explain that. So these are the questions that's coming up in this chat, which are good questions because I didn't even think about all that stuff. So this is what I decided to do because I didn't do it before. Now I am telling them a little bit about my story in the chat because they don't know me. All of these people are brand new people I don't know. I've never met them before. I've never had any conversation with them before. They're not customers. These are like random people that I found in groups. So they don't know me. So I decided to come in here and tell them about me. And I also decided to share pictures of my family so they can put an eye on who I really am. Because I know now they got to figure out how they can trust me to make sure that I don't run off with their money as they're going out there collecting these orders. So I said, okay, before I even get any further into this, I need to let them know about who I am. So I did that. Did that. And so something else I decided to do, because this is something that I do with my team members. When I get new team members, I always do incentives for my new team members. So I'm doing incentives for them. Like example, what I'm telling them, if you guys, whoever the first person is to get $500 in orders to get their first kit, I got something for you. That's what I'm doing. Is for 9 of them. They're like all over the place. They're running because they want to be the first. And then I'm telling them that I've got something extra for all of them if they hit $500 this month. So they're running around like crazy trying to get orders, all of them. And it's so amazing to see this like that. Like, I can't even believe this. So it's a little different. It's a little tougher because, with new consultants, you can guide them to the first things first checklist. You can tell them to check out the workstation, but this, you cannot do that. So what I'm having to do is a little bit more work, but that's okay. For example, like the bundle and save, I'm actually going to the website because I showed the bundle where they can get like the shower gel and the lotions and all that bundle, the $31 bundle. So they got in there and they didn't know how to put that in. So what I did, I screenshot and circled it so they could see how to do that bundle. And then I'm also talking about the bundle and save, screenshotting it and circling it so they can know how to offer that. So it's a little different than actual consulting. So guys, this is incredible. It's working. You can do this from your phone. You can do it from home. This is incredible. These are people that some of them never heard of Scentsy. Some of them never use Scentsy, but they're like all over it. And something else I've done, I've given each one of them a picture to upload to their group page, because as I go in there, I don't want all their pictures to be the same. I want to make sure their pictures are different. So I'm giving them pictures to upload to their group pages. All the posted page links, I'm giving it to them. Some of them have even gotten a little bit clever and found pictures themselves. One of them supposed to be joining today because she said she's so excited. She does not want to wait to earn the kit. She's just going to go ahead and pay her $499. So I'm waiting on her. So even if they don't wait to get the $500 in orders, it's striking up a lot of excitement in that chat. So some of them are wanting to go on and just buy the kit. So either way, it's a fun place to be. If you guys are really, really trying to really pack it in, to really get a lot of consultants to join like now, right away. This is a great way to do it because you got them all in one place. You don't have to be doing a little here and a little there. You can do it all at one time. And it's going to make them be a better consultant too, because they're kind of winging it almost. I mean, they're getting the information from me, but it's making them think. I'm making them create their own group. I'm not doing any of that. I'm making them post in their own group. I'm not doing any of that. The only thing I am going to do, once they hit 50 people in the group, I'm going to go live and do a presentation. That's all that I'm doing in their group. But I'm watching them and coaching them and guiding them because I am in their groups. All 9 of them. I'm in 9 groups. So this is something I've never done before, but it's so fun. And I always like to test the waters and try things to see how it works before I deliver it to anybody else. I'm delivering it to my team and you guys, and I hope that this helps, because I'm finding that a lot of people don't even know, even consultants and even directors, I'm finding that they don't even know that people can join for $0. A lot of people didn't know that. And it's something to know that people don't know this. This has been going on for quite some time. I've been doing it for a long time, but not like this. I've been doing it differently, but not like this. But this way, because people are buying virtually, this is a perfect way to take advantage of them doing it now. And it's just fun. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's working. It is. It's really working. I think I'm going to make a YouTube video out of it because I know a lot of people want to share this. But it's really, really working. I hope you guys are having some success with it. But again, I go out there and I create these join links with their name on it. That's important that their names show up because people are wanting to help them. So in order for them to see that they're going to get credit for it, make sure you put their name on the join link. Is AKA party link is all it is, but I call it a join link. I got 9 join links open right now on my website. It's pretty incredible. Let's see if I can get it to come up. It's actually fun. This is, let's get it up. If I can get it on here. Okay, as I go here to my parties. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of party links, but let me go. A whole lot of shopping links. Let me go to the join links. And because I've got so many same names, I'm trying to remember to put, I don't have them all last initial on here, but I'm trying. But right here, okay, Tina's join, Matrice's join us 2, Ashley's 3, Andrea's 4, Brandy is 5, Kathy is 6, Crystal 7, Misty 8, and then Penny is 9. So I have 9 joint links open right now, and all of them are working. Every one of them are working. I mean, they're working harder than people that's joining. I'm like, this is incredible. I don't know what it's all about. I don't know if it's because I put them in that chat that's making them real excited. I don't know. They're on my group page too. So I told them to grab stuff from the group page, and I'm putting stuff in the chat. They're like, oh, it's just real fun to see them really, really want it. They really want it. I don't know. One girl said she just really need the income. She just didn't have the money to pay for the kit, and they're working for this. They're working for the kit. I mean, I also typed out and showed them what they're going to get once they hit $500. I showed them free kit, a small, I think $16 in free products, 4 half off, $100 in commission. This is what they're going to get because I'm going to flip the party. But it has to happen in this month for them to get that $100 commission, the shooting star. It all has to happen in 1 month. So they're like really excited about that. Then that's going to make them be halfway to certified. This is like so fun. I wish I had thought about this long time ago, but it's fun. Anyway, guys, I hope you all are having a great one. Bye.